What's up, baby girl? Are you feeling hungry? Well, I got something new for you. As you guys know, she is dealing with degenerative myelopathy. It is an incurable disease, but fortunately, she's still healthy and healthy. So today, I'll be reviewing this Blue Buffalo Live Protection Formula with light source bits dog food. So it's not the cheapest brand out there, but supposedly Blue Buffalo is one of the top brands that features organic, artificial free, preservative free ingredients. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bag. I love them like family, feed them like family, no doubt. No chicken, poultry, byproduct meals, no corn, wheat or soy, no artificial preservatives, no artificial flavors like I mentioned. This is the Blue Buffalo brand. This is for the live protection formula for elderly dogs. And actually they have an elderly version. I decided to go with the adult one because it features a small bite. I know Akira doesn't like the big ones, and she doesn't like to chew, she likes to swallow everything. So let's take a look at the back. The packaging, pretty basic right there. It shows you all the natural ingredients that we come to expect, featuring 7 antioxidants. Everything looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and bag it. Last time I fed Akira the Authority brand adult dry dog food. I think those are cheaper, but it also features organic ingredients, and that's the size of the pellets that I have left. Let's go ahead and open this one up. It looks like they forgot to pre-cut the bag, so I'm gonna have to use a pair of scissors. I wonder why did they do that? I mean, if you think that it's a top brand and expensive, they could at least pre-cut the bag, you know? Make life easier. Let's take a look inside the bag. Look at these pellets. Ooh, it looks like it's multi-colored. Pretty much smells like dog food. Let's go ahead and get one scoop of this. This is my measuring cup. That's what Akira is used to. I feed her twice a day, morning and night. Actually, before I mix it with any protein that I typically add to her meal, I'm just gonna see how she likes it plain like this. Small bite size. Hey, she's liking it already. Usually she's kind of picky. Alright guys, now I'm gonna add some rice, leftover rice, and then some of this mackerel, grilled mackerel with beef right here, and some carrots. She's gonna love this. The protein. Oh yeah. Here we go. Kira, it's dinner time. Look at you trying to walk. I'm proud of you. Come on. We're about to use a wheelchair too. Let's go get it. Come on. Good girl. You see how she's trying to balance herself on the toes folded backward? I know it's a little bit gross looking, but that's the way she's used to it now. Look how skinny her hind legs are. It's like all bones. So that's the muscle dystrophy without any control of her muscles. So it's pretty much deteriorated. It's all bones and stuff. Oh, she's losing her balance. Come on. So that's the condition of my degenerative myelopathy. It's very unfortunate. See how her spine is like twisted. There's no pain to it. They don't have any feelings. But like I said, she's still happy and healthy. She's still getting used to using the walking wheelchair, walking pet's wheelchair. Sometimes she's a little bit stubborn and she doesn't want to move, so maybe she has her good days and her bad days. She cleaned that bowl real good. So Akira, what do you think of this? Look at that, there's some rice on your nose, Akira. So what do you think of this, Akira? What would you give it, huh? What would you give it? Akira seems to like it. Blue Buffalo, can't go wrong with the brand. It's a little bit pricey, but sometimes you just have to treat a dog like a part of the family. On a scale of 1 to 100%, I think Akira's gonna hook this up with a... Can I hear a 90%, Akira? There we have it. And please pray for her condition. I just want, you know, for her to live a rest of her life happy and healthy. Until next time, take care of yourselves and your pets.